Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, today we are going to learn about vowel U. Okay, so first tell me what is the sound of vowel O? Its sound is O. Okay, and what is the sound of U? Its sound is A. Okay, A. So it is page number 29. Okay students, so first of all students, we will read these words. These words are starting with vowel U. Okay, so first here you can see it is the picture of an umpire. Okay, do you know who is umpire? Umpire is a person who makes sure that the player obey the rules in his sports. Okay, all the students. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? Umpire, a sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. So this word begins with U, U-M-P-I-R-E, umpire. Next is underwear. Okay, so when we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? Underwear, a sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. So this word also begins with U, U-N-D-E-R, W-E-A-R, underwear. Next is unload. Unload means to remove goods from vehicle like truck, van. Okay, so here you can see unload. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? Unload, a sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. U-N-L-O-A-D, unload. Next is upside down. Upside down, it means having the part that is usually at the top turn to be at bottom. Okay, here you can see our head always at the top, but here you can see it turn to be at the bottom. Okay, that is why this position is called upside down. Okay, all the students. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? A, upside down, a sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. U-P-S-I-D-E, upside, D-O-W-N, down, upside down. Next is umbrella. Umbrella. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? Umbrella, a sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Next is under. Here you can see this ball is under this chair. Okay, so word is under. Under, a sound is coming again, and a sound stands for U vowel. U-N-D-E-R, under. Now come to the next. Here you can see these words. Okay, these words are having vowel U in the middle. So first is tub, tub. Which sound is coming in the middle? Tub, a sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. T-U-B, tub. Next is bulb, 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 a sound again coming. Okay, that is why U vowel is here. B-U-L-B, bulb. Next is truck, truck, truck. Again a sound is coming, and a sound stands for U. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Next is drum, drum. Which sound is coming in the middle? Drum, drum, a sound, and a sound stands for U vowel. So U vowel is in the middle. D-R-U-M, drum. Next is nut, nut, nut. A sound is coming in the middle, and a sound stands for U vowel. N-U-T, nut. Last picture is of pup. It is the young one of a dog. Okay, pup. So which sound is coming in the middle? A sound. Okay, up, pup, and a sound stands for U vowel. So the spelling of pup is P-U-P, pup. Okay students, so these are some words which are starting with vowel U, and these are some words which are having vowel U in the middle. Now students, close this book, and now we will do some work related to this topic. So all the parents are requested, please mention one page like this in your What's English notebook. Okay. Now students, let's start work with me. First of all, you all have to write here your name. Here you all have to write date. Here you all have to write classwork. Okay. So heading is vowel U. Question is write the missing vowel. Okay. So here we have to identify the pictures, and after that we have to write the missing vowels. Okay, all the students. So first picture is of tub. Tub. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming in the middle? Tub. Tub. A sound, and a sound stands for U. So write here small u like this. Next is, here you can see it is a chair and the ball is under this chair. Okay, so word is under. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? Under. A sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. So write here U like this. Next is drum. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming in the middle? Drum. Okay, so which sound coming? A sound, and a sound stands for U. Right here U again. Next is hut. Which sound is coming in the middle? Hut. A sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U. Right here U again. Next is duck. When we are taking its name, which sound is coming in the middle? Duck. A sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U vowel. So right here U. Here you can see one emoji, and it is unhappy. Okay, unhappy means sad, not happy. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? Unhappy. A sound, and a sound stands for U. So right here U. Okay, next is umbrella. When we are taking its name, which sound is coming first? Umbrella. A sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U. Again write U. Next is sun. Sun. Which sound is coming in the middle? A sound, and a sound stands for U. Last picture is of cup. Okay, cup. So when we are taking its name, which sound is coming in the middle? Cup. A sound. Okay, and a sound stands for U. So all the students, do this page in the same manner and learn the spellings of these words. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye.